कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, अरे कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो। साहब मिले सबूरी में, अरे साहब मिले सबूरी में, मन लागो यार फकीरी में, मन लागो।
Is there any fundamental knowledge that man must have? To be man, to call oneself as a man, is in itself knowledge. To know oneself as a body form labeled with a certain name is in itself knowledge, and from this knowledge an infinite number of other waves of knowledge will surely proceed. So it is not as if one has a choice in this regard. Once you have called yourself a man, you have no option but to live in the world of knowledge. You will be finding concentric circles ever widening, circles of identities. The corollary is, if you start negating all the knowledge that you have, then you will have to finally negate the knowledge that you are a man. I am a man is the fundamental knowledge from where all other knowledge proceeds. If you see the limitation and the conflict associated with living by the mind, by the contents of the mind, by knowledge, and you keep hacking down your dependence on knowledge, ultimately you will find that you are staring in the face the fact that you know yourself as a man, and you will have to bring down that as well. I am a man. This is not really a fact. This too is a conditioned identity. I am a man is not really a statement of fact. This too is a conditioned identity. If you want to drop everything else and retain this one, you will find that you are not able to drop anything. On the other hand, you may start off, drop anything, and you will find that to drop anything really and totally, you indeed have to drop this as well. I am a man. What does it mean to be a man? To be a man means that one has to abide by what is normally associated with being a man. This identification with birth, this living, this dying, this fear of death, this desire for security, this identification with a gender, all of that, that is what goes along with calling oneself a man, a human being. In fact, to really be a human being, you have to go beyond what is normally implied by being a human being. Because what is normally implied by being a human being is nothing but limitations. The so-called normalcy, the so-called normal definitions have only given us conflict and strife. So let us avoid them.